Here's what you end up with when building your first 2D platformer game using the Godot tutorials on our channel. Over the course of those 10 videos, we show how the nuts and bolts of a simple game come together to create a basic 2D platformer. Be sure to check out the series if you haven't already. The project is running in Godot Engine 4 and uses GDScript. It'll be available on GitHub soon. If you want to see more microgame tutorial video series like these, be sure to subscribe and drop us some comments. Maybe a twin-stick shooter or a puzzle game? How about a simple RPG adventure or a mini tower defense? What do you think?
La 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 la.